Yo, what's up, YouTube? You got me, Ike Santana. As you can see, I have a machine right here with my Apple keyboard, with my Apple computer. And for some reason, this machine isn't working, right? It's not working. That's all I see. Every time I try to click on it, I keep going to the arranger. It keeps just saying that. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. Forgive these Yeezys coming out, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to go to first we're going to go to Apple. We're going to see what the operating system is because sometimes it doesn't work in High Sierra. So go to About This Mac, see if you need to update anything on your thing. Mine looks like it's up to date. So what I am going to do is I am going to go to my machine. I'm going to go see if everything is updated in Native Instruments. Okay, let's go to Native Instruments, see if everything is updated. They need the password. Let me type in this password. Hold on 1 second. Let's see what it is. Hmm? Okay, I'm trying to remember my password. Dang, what is my password? I'm trying every password I can. So this might be the problem. Let's see if the password is my see if the password is my PS4. Damn, man, I do not know the password. Oh, wow. So the password was something simple. It was my password to my computer. Sorry. I felt really lame about that. So it looks like everything's gonna have to load first before we see if we can log everything in. Okay. Let's see, everything looks loaded. Okay, it does say 2 new available updates. So let's click on that, see if that's the problem. Let's go to update all. And after we go to update all, okay, it's very quick. I thought it was gonna take minutes, but it looks like it's very, very short. So after this, we're gonna go and we're gonna click on the machine icon to see if everything works after that. So the first one is updating. Let's see about the second. The second says 22 seconds. Usually it's way more quicker than that. All right.
Hey, do you have $20 left to borrow to Wednesday? Nothing. I still need $20.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I'll give it back to myself.
Okay.
What time you get off work? Why were you going? Oh. Okay. I might be able to either we switch your job at 1 or I just come to your house and meet you there.
Okay, this one does look like it's taking a long time, so let's go ahead and just open this. Let's see if it opens. As long as Native Instruments is open, the machine should open also. Okay, we see new project is up. Now let's see if it loads to my previous project that I had up here. It's still spinning. You see the spin wheel. Guys, while you're here, can you like, comment, subscribe down at the bottom? Tell me what you like about it. Tell me what you think I need to do next. I am practicing my guitar. I just started. Oh, look, it did go to my new saved program. Look, my machine went right back to normal. It just loaded up. Send some vacation funds if you want to. But let's go ahead and check to see if these actually are playing sound. Oh, look, my sound is down. Turn your sound up. And as you can hear, that sound is playing. So we're back. Now all you hear is the intro. The intro is playing. Let's see. No, it's not. But it will be now. Let's hear it. Let's see if the intros. Doesn't look like anything's on here though, so there you go, guys. Live in action.